Hey, what's up, Babydoge holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Babydoge. This video is very important, and there is a special message about Babydoge holders, so keep watching this video complete and never miss any second of this video. Also make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Subscribe now, click the subscribe button now, and also like this video. Now my friends, first of all we are going to look the latest update of the Babydoge. After that we are going to discuss the message of the Babydoge. Now my friends, the currently changes of the Babydoge is positive. 2.58%. The price increased just in the last 24 hours. And the price of the Babydoge is still very low. My special message for every Babydoge holders is that please now buy more and more Babydoge. I hope they give you profit, not loss in the future, because it is a low price cryptocurrency. That is why I'm recommending for everybody that please buy now, because they will not give you loss, profit only. And let me show you the price chart now my friends. My special message is also going that my friends buy more and more Babydoge, because my friends, you know what, it is the beginning of a new month. It is the beginning of August. At this time my friends, higher possibility that price will explode, price will increase, and they will give you profit. So please buy now more and more Babydoge. They will give you only profit, not loss, believe me my friends. My friends, a lot of coin, majority cases the price explode in the beginning of a new month, and it's also possibility that Babydoge price will explode. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your price prediction about Babydoge? Also share in the comment box, and remember, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel.